Okay, so let's go ahead and add sound effects to our cars right here. Okay, these three cars. So for that, let's open up the script, which is car controller. And in here at the bottom, let's create a header. Okay, let's name this header as car sounds. And here we need a reference to our audio source. So audio source, let's name this as audio source as well. And after this, we need a reference to our audio clips. So the first audio clip will be the acceleration sound, and the next clip will be the slow acceleration sound, and then the stop sound. Okay, now right here in the move car, what we will do right here is we will simply say that if the present acceleration is greater than 0, it means that if the car is moving, then what we want to do, we want to play the audio source. We will say play one shot, and we want to play the acceleration sound, and let's keep it volume as 0.2f. Okay, and after that we will say else if the present acceleration is less than 0, it means that if we are applying the brakes, then we want to play the slow acceleration sound and keep it volume as 0.2f. And after that we will say that else if the present acceleration is equals to 0, okay, then we want to play the stop sound and make it volume as 0.1f. That's it. Okay, let's save this. Let's select all of the three cars. As you can see, it needs the audio source, so let's go ahead and add the audio source. Okay, let's make the sound 3D. Let's drag and drop that in there. And now in the audios, for the acceleration sound, let's drag and drop the low on. Then for the slow sound, let's drag and drop the low off. And then for the stop sound, add the idle sound. Okay, as you can see, it is applied. If we click on this, as you can see, it has the audio source of the second car, and that's why it is showing this warning. Let me show it to you. As you can see, it is showing that cannot play a disabled audio source. So make sure that you select one car at a time and then drag and drop the audio source of each specific car like that. Okay, take the third one, drag and drop that in there. And now let's make the volume of it a little bit down below. Now when we play the game, this warning will be gone and the sound will be playing. As you can see, but it is really loud. Let's make it volume down below a little bit more. Okay, it is now playing. As you can see, the audio source are now playing. Now if you stop the car, okay, it is now stopped, and you can notice the sound effects playing. So guys, in this way you can add different sound effects to your game. And with this done, let's end this video right here.